What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's Saturday morning. I am giving you another little ride-in review. I'm heading to Ping. It is a dim sum place in Chinatown. Long-standing joint's been there forever. I think the last time I was there was probably when I was still in law school, close to 20 years ago. But it's always a good time. You know, you sit at a big round table, lots of food comes around. The last time I was there, in fact, was the first time I ever tried jellyfish. And if you haven't had it, it's not as disgusting as it sounds. It's got a little snap to it like a noodle. And it's usually served cold. With like some chili oil and sesame seeds. So I'm meeting up there with a group of food people I haven't seen in a while. And it's not far from that little dumpling spot that we stopped in with the gang the day we got our open container tickets. Did a little food crawl that day. Right here, not far at all. So dim sum is very popular at like late breakfast time, so that's why this is a morning run. And actually, it's right up there, and the traffic's going the other way, so I think I'm gonna stop and I'll walk it from here. I'll follow you in. Oh, this is some Goodfellas shit. Hey!
Wow, look at all the cars. Better? Do you like fire trucks better or no?
Yeah.
Oh, because it's warm. Oh, is it warm? Dang,
No, it's not warm.
It's not warm. Hey, there's more big.
Oh, there's more coming?
There's more. That is a cool one. Oh, look.
What's that, chicken's feet? And then what's this?
This is tripe.
Yeah.
I love this. Monday, it was a Monday. When we were off on Monday, the adults were off on Monday, the kids had to go back to school.
Some greens.
Wow, is that gonna make a?
I know.
appearance
It's
on
very.
your-
Oh, I like those.
Me too. Huh? We did order. We ordered it.
One on the
Egg tarts.
See, I want this.
I am a gouty.
For what? Give me a plate.
Like this.
Nina, hook me up with the non-extra.
We're on the plane, and then I was walking to the lab.
All right. So Ping. Not much has changed in the nearly 20 years since I've been there. A lot of food, a lot of good stuff. I think my favorites were, I think it was pork wrapped in like a tofu skin. I also really love the rice rolls that are wrapped around the crispy Chinese crullers. Those are delicious. Also a big fan of the little pork riblets. Those are always nice little bites. And the sweet sesame balls that you saw probably in the beginning there. They were snipped down the side. Those are nice and warm and toasty, and then inside is like a sweet bean paste. That's a great way to start the weekend off. Fucking look both ways. I tell you, man, I almost said it on the way out here. Nobody's looking where they're walking. Absolutely nobody's looking. So I was saying, great way to start the weekend. I ran 10 miles in the morning, worked up an appetite, had that nice big breakfast slash lunch. And now maybe I'll ride around a little bit, enjoy the day. Thank you for watching. It's always a pleasure when I see you like, subscribe, leave comments on these rider review videos, because it shows that you like what I'm doing. And as always, make sure you tell your fucking grandma.